The natural world is full of diverse organisms, from leaves to giant blue whales. Except for viruses, all living things are made up of cells. So, what exactly are cells? Cells are the basic units of life, capable of self-replication, metabolism, and inheriting genetic information. Animal cells consist of a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus, while plant cells have a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Today, we're going to explore the structure of plant cells. Observing onion epidermis slides. Now, let's observe an onion skin slide under the microscope. Under the microscope, you can see many neatly and tightly arranged cells. The cell wall is a unique structure in plant cells, providing support and protection. The cell membrane acts as a boundary, controlling the movement of substances in and out of the cell, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. The cytoplasm is the transparent substance inside the cell, containing various organelles like mitochondria, chloroplasts, and vacuoles. However, under the microscope, we can only see the cytoplasm of the onion epidermis cells, not the individual organelles. The nucleus of the onion epidermis cells is located at the center of the cell and usually appears as a spherical structure. The cell's control center is the nucleus, which stores genetic information and regulates cell activities. Take a moment to observe and compare the size and shape of these onion epidermis cells. What similarities and differences do you notice?